back to Mini Angels. I'm super excited for you to join me on my crazy adventure today. Here I found moss, grass, flowers, and other types of plants, and a very small waterfall. And gorgeous rocks because we're around mountains. Today, we're here in Sheep River Falls in Alberta. Listen to the beautiful sound. And did you know that we humans breathe out carbon dioxide? Then plants take it in as energy and turn it into oxygen for us to breathe? Aren't they amazing? And you might be wondering what I'm holding right now. Well, I was collecting flowers to show you guys. Here's some pictures. Comment below if you know any of the flower types. The plain old dandelion. This one looks like a purple sunflower. And here's where the insect warning comes in. I was picking at some moss, then I found a queen ant and its larva. Larva means a hatchling for an insect and a worker ant. Nature is very beautiful. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe and leave a like.